So our next step is going to go ahead and add the fresh herbs. And I'm going to do that by first starting off with fresh basil. Fresh basil has a really nice licoricey flavor, and it's just a complete fresh flavor that goes well with all of our ingredients today. Now, if you don't like basil or it's not in season whenever you guys are going to make the salad, then go ahead and use another seasoning if you would like. Thyme would work really well, or chervil or dill would be really nice with this as well. So I've got about a cup of basil leaves, and I'm just going to roll them all together, and we're going to slice them julienne, which are just like long ribbons. It's going to add a really nice freshness to our salad. Now, if you're making this ahead of time, you'll want to make sure that you add this very, very last, right before your guests get there, because basil tends to brown, and it loses some of its freshness after time. So since we're going to eat this right away, we're going to go ahead and add it in now. Got our fresh basil into our bowl.